Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, January 26, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I'm headed over to the soap shop, and again, I'm riding solo because Tina's taking care of one of our friend's cats this morning. So I thought it'd be a good time to do another video. I wanted to talk to you briefly about being a spillover waiter versus a spillover creator, okay? Because a lot of times people write to me and they get, they ask me where all the spillover is that they saw in their the downline, the power line, okay? Or sometimes people ask, why is it taking so long to get people in my downline, spillover in my downline? And the truth of it is that the people you see in the power line when you join, okay, those are people that have come in after you or before you. No, they've come in after you, okay? So not every one of those people are going to be in the same part of the binary as you are. So those are it's just a way to show you how many people are, joining the company, okay? So you can't look at that and expect all those people to be in your downline, if that makes sense. But the biggest thing is, or the biggest point of this video is, you want to become a spillover creator. You don't want to wait for spillover, okay? Or I call people spillover waiters, the ones that just expect their downline to be built for them, okay? I'm at a point now in my business where I am putting people under people who are taking action, all right? I've got a handful of builders on my team now, and I'm supporting them because that's the right thing to do. Those are, these are the people that are going out there every single day, taking action and putting in the work and building their own business. I want to help them grow their own business, right? I'm not going to spend time on people who just talk and don't do anything. So in network marketing, look at spillover as a bonus, okay? If you get spillover from your upline, that's awesome. It's a bonus. But you shouldn't focus your time on that. Don't spend your time looking in your back office, looking to see if there's anybody in your downline that was placed there from your upline. All right, over time that will happen. And when new people sign up with me, I do help them out as well. I'll put people underneath them, but it could be a week or two before anybody shows up underneath them. All right, because my focus is on helping those who are taking action and building their business. So don't be a spillover waiter. If you're serious about changing your financial future and building a network marketing business, then you want to take action, build your business, and become a spillover creator to where you help your downline, okay? And that's just my point of view on this, okay? I know a lot of people, they join and they expect their teams to be built for them. And that's just not how it works. You have to put in the action, put in the work, take action, and then you will see your downline starting to grow. Because I notice everybody on all of my direct referrals. I know the people who are taking action and the people that aren't. And I'm there for those that aren't taking action, and when they're ready to take action, they can reach out to me anytime, and I'll be there to help them out. But my main focus is on those who are taking action right now and building their own business. Those are the people that I'm putting my new directs under, okay? Because that's just how it works. That's the fairest possible way to grow a team, in my opinion. So don't focus too much. The point of the video is, don't focus too much on your downline, or what you're getting from your upline. Go out there, share the opportunity with a minimum of 2 people every single day. Get 2 people to take your tour every single day, and over time you can build an empire with this. All right? So it's absolutely beautiful out here today. It's snowing. I just pulled into the soap shop. Tina beat me here. But it's absolutely gorgeous out. The snow is just coming down. I don't think we're supposed to get too much, just a few inches. But it's going to be a good day. I hope you have a great day wherever you are. Just stay positive. Stay focused on building gotbackup or whatever business you're working with, and good things will come. All right? And if you're looking for a way to make money online or to supplement your income, there's a link down below this video somewhere. You can find it. You can join our gotbackup team. It's the best business, in my opinion, work from home business opportunity on the planet. okay? It's backed by a 25-year-old parent company, GVO. It's been in business since 1997. It's a 27-year-old parent company. And it's just awesome, okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.